Guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. This week we got a project request by a community member by the name of Kirsten, and she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt." Hey, Kirsten. "I just want to say I absolutely love your channel. Thanks, Kirsten, and I'm excited to see what new creations you have each week. I so hope you will help me create my dream centerpiece so that I can have my dream wedding on a budget. I am getting married soon, and my colors are plum, lilac, and gold with a little splash of pink here and there. I found my dream centerpiece on Pinterest, but I know I can't afford to get it made professionally." I know a lot of us has that problem. "I would like to have a tall centerpiece at about this height on most of the tables and then a smaller scale centerpiece on the rest. I think it would be great to see you do a big and small matching centerpiece combo in your channel as well. Something different and helpful for us viewers." That's what we're here for, Kirsten. "Can you help me create this beautiful grand centerpiece as well as a smaller one for the other tables? Thanks." Thank you, MissPlanIt. Well, Kirsten, we thought that is an awesome, excellent idea. Not only did we create a tall, fabulous centerpiece, we also created a smaller, petite, beautiful one. But more importantly, we tried to do it with as many Dollar Tree products as we could. I am so excited to share this with you. So not only is it beautiful, but I promise it's not going to only match your budget, but so many others. So Kirsten, I want to thank you for giving us that idea of a grande and a pequito. So here we go with this week's project, Royal Elegant Centerpiece. All right, let's go. Our first step is to create our beautiful vase for our tall centerpiece. We're going to do that using one 6.5-inch hurricane stem vase, as well as two pub glasses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, the important thing is you have to give it time to set, the glue to set. You can use E6000 or you can use Gorilla Glue. Again, the important thing is leaving it overnight to set. Once the bottom two pieces have set, you're going to attach the top pub glass using the same glue, sitting some sort of a weight, a book or something on top of it, and giving it time to set. Next, we're going to create those hurricane lamps that you see in the inspiration picture using these very inexpensive but beautiful pieces from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to attach two of the 4-inch tapered glass candle holders using E6000. Again, you have to give it time to set and cure. Once they have both set, we are then going to spray it with this beautiful gold spray paint. Once the paint has dried, we're going to attach a rocks candle holder, also purchased at the Dollar Tree, right to the top. Now it's just ready for water and a beautiful floating candle. Let's move on to Kirsten's second challenge, creating a matching centerpiece at a smaller scale. Again, I pushed that challenge by trying to use as many Dollar Tree products as I possibly could. For our smaller centerpiece, we're going to use a plastic garden bowl as well as another 4-inch tapered candle, both purchased from the Dollar Tree. We're going to attach them using our E6000, and then we're going to make sure that we give that time to set. Before we do that though, we're going to take this 8-inch foam disc and we're going to trim it down to a little bit less than, probably about 7.5 to 7.75 inch so that it'll fit the opening nice and snug. Before we attach the foam disc, we're going to go ahead and put some vase filler in there just so that you don't see the stems poking through the other side when we add our flowers. So any vase filler would do. Don't worry, the links to the vase filler is in the description below. So 90% of the flowers that are used in both of these centerpieces are purchased from the Dollar Tree. The challenge is quite a few of them were not available online. Don't worry though, I have comparable flowers already in the links from other vendors. So first we went ahead and we trimmed out the base using our purple dahlias. So we used probably anywhere between 8 and 10 purple dahlias. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 2 large head pink hydrangeas. We're going to now layer in 3 different colored roses, our primary rose being purple. We're going to layer in anywhere between 6 to 8 purple roses, and then from there we're going to layer in another pop of color of that pink, our little petite pink roses, and those are anywhere between 4 and 6 pink roses. And then finally we're going to wrap it up with a gentle splash of white, and that's going to be anywhere between 2 and 4 white roses. And then wherever you see any additional foam peeking through, go ahead and cover that with our purple dahlias. The key to making this centerpiece look as close to real flowers as possible is layering. When you look at your real flower arrangements, it's always layered, flower on top of flower. And so you're just going to mimic that using the artificial flowers. To do that, you may have to use your extra stems that you either have from previous projects, or if it's from the Dollar Tree, buy a couple of extra bunches of flowers just for the stems. And that way you can cut the plastic stems at different levels and then attach it to your flower to give it that depth. So again, I'm not doing anything permanent. I have not added glue to the ends of the stems. I would not do that until you're satisfied with the arrangement. Trust yourself, guys, you can do it. I'm gonna add a little bit of pop of color with some plum lavender branches as well as some green artificial berries. Now that our tall vase is dry, it's time to go ahead and spray paint it and get ready to add our beautiful flower arrangement. Before we add our 5-inch styrofoam ball, we're going to go ahead and fill the top layer of our vase with some rocks just to weight it down. The worst thing could happen is somebody bump the table and your vase falls over. So be sure to add those rocks or pebbles or something in there to weight it down. Go ahead and trim out the center of your foam ball, and then that way it'll fit snugly right on top of the opening. Add a little bit of hot glue just to secure it. Well, Kirsten, here it is. I hope it meets your desired end. I hope you love it just as much as we love creating it for you. A special little tip in the description below. We went ahead and put the cost for the total project, meaning everything you see in our finished product picture, as well as we broke it down for each piece of the centerpiece. So you'll have a total price, and then you'll have a price just for the hurricane candle holders, a price for the miniature centerpiece, and a price for the tall centerpiece, just in case you want to mix and match. Well, if you like this episode, please go ahead and like us, subscribe, so you can be the first to know when we post every Wednesday. In addition to that, you'll find the links to our eBate certificate, as well as the links to our newsletter and the link to submit a project request, all in the description right below this video. Just click on that little upside down triangle or arrow, whichever way you see it. We just love helping you guys, and we love that you spend this time with us. If there is a project we can help you with, please head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the easy steps. You can also subscribe to our newsletter so you know exactly what's going on with MissPlanIt at all times. And please check out our blog post. We like to give you special tips, we like to give you special insights, and just help you all around. So check out the website. It is awesome. In addition to that, you can follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. And by all means, send us a comment. Send us some inspiration of your own. Show us your pictures that you've created using our plan. Remember, we just give you the plan, you take it, and you make it your own. So, again, we are so grateful that you joined us this week. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we just appreciate you choosing us. And with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.